Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to reset Tradingview chart to default. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice, and once you do that, go ahead and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Tradingview. Once again, to the website, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to reset Tradingview charts to default. So for you to do that, you have to open up a chart and head over. I'm going to search markets here, and I'm just going to use Tesla because I've already opened the chart for Tesla, but you can go to search markets there and search the market that you want to open. I'm using Tesla. So I'm here, and my chart is my chart has been successfully open now. Okay, so it's successfully open. Now, if I want to restart, or if I want to reset this chart, I'm just going to move my cursor to the chart, which is here, and I'm going to right click. So right click, and you have these options, which include reset chart view, you have copy price, you have paste, you have add alert on Tesla, you have add Tesla to watch list, you have add text note for Tesla, you have lock vertical cursor line by time, object tree, color theme, remove indicators, and settings. So go ahead and click on reset chart view rather, and once you do that, you see that your chart will be reset. So if I right click again, you see that that's not available again because I have already clicked on the reset button. So head over to the chart, right click, and choose reset chart view, and your Tradingview chart is going to reset to default. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.